What is up, beautiful people? It's me, Julia. Thank you so much for dropping by. If you haven't done so, please don't forget to subscribe and join our ever-growing health-savvy community. So, 8 months ago, I started this series called Meatless Mondays on this channel. However, life happened and I just stopped uploading. But I think I have settled in nicely at my new job and residence that I am able to keep up with my weekly uploads. Fingers crossed! In today's video, I am happy to share to you my recipe of a vegan curry. But before that, I'd like to share a fun fact about the country where this dish originated, which is India. So if you didn't know, India is a massive nation with populations of over 1 billion people. 1 billion people, guys, that is a lot. Just imagine this, there's 7 billion people in the world and 1 billion are Indians. And there's also 1 billion Chinese people. So anyways, the point is there's over 200 countries in the world and a massive piece of the pie are Indians. However, that is not the fun fact. The fun fact is that 30% of that 1 billion Indian population are actually vegetarians and vegans. Wow! That's amazing, right? So if you are an individual who is trying to slowly transition into becoming a vegetarian or a vegan, like me, Indian food is definitely the way to go. To start, I'm telling you, every time I make curry for my friends and family, it's always a crowd pleaser. It's flavorsome, hearty, healthy, delicious, and affordable. Just thinking about it makes me drool. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. have it, people. Really simple to make, right? And the ingredients are readily available. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit on thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these types of content, all you have to do is to hit on subscribe and that cute little bell icon down there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.